Hello, in front of me I've got HardReset V6. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to app. In the beginning, make sure that your mouse is connected to your PC, and on your PC let's go to HardReset software. Select mice and select HardReset V6. Download software. And install it. Launch software. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.